Morning students of standard 11th. Today we are going to study topic types of classification system from chapter 2 biological classification. Two kingdom system of classification was the first classification system. It was propounded by Linnaeus. It could not gain popularity. Students, the first classification system which came into existence was two kingdom system classification, and the scientist who propounded it was Linnaeus. Students, two kingdom system could not gain popularity because in two kingdom system of classification they were mainly present two kingdoms, that is plants and animals. In two kingdom system of classification, there was no place for the Protista, which is the unicellular organism, and even there was no place for the fungi, which is achlorophyllous organism. But we know that fungi and Protista, both the group of organisms, survive on earth. Even then, it was not included in the two kingdom system. This is why two kingdom system could not gain popularity. Three kingdom system of classification was propounded by E. Haeckel. It was not accepted by scientists. Students, three kingdom system of classification was propounded by scientist E. Haeckel. Even this classification system, which was comprising of three kingdoms, also was not accepted by scientists. Students, let's know that why three kingdom system classification could not gain popularity. Actually, students, in the three kingdom system of classification, there was inclusion of plants, animals, Protista, which was not included in the two kingdom system of classification, and where only unicellular organisms were grouped. Even then, three kingdom system of classification could not gain popularity because still fungi, which were the achlorophyllous organisms, and besides fungi, even monarans could not find its place. That is why, students, even three kingdom system of classification, although improvised than two kingdom system of classification, could not gain popularity. five kingdom system of classification was propounded by Whittaker. It gained huge popularity among scientists. Students, here we can easily understand that this was the classification system which was propounded by Whittaker, and it gained huge popularity. Students, you can easily understand that the classification system was slowly being improvised from the two kingdom system of classification to more advanced three kingdom system of classification, and finally to most advanced five kingdom system of classification. Students, the classification system did not ended up here, rather is still progressing. But in the syllabus, till five kingdom system of classification is included. Students, five kingdom system of classification, which you can understand with the help of this picture also, where it is written that it was discovered by R. H. Whittaker. Where you can find monadans, which was a group of unicellular prokaryotic organisms, and even the fungi, which was the achlorophyllous organism and was not able to synthesize its own food, and rather was absorbing its nutrients. Was included in five kingdom system of classification. Besides plants, animals and protista. So students, this is why five kingdom system of classification gained huge popularity, because it not only included the unicellular eukaryotes, but it also included unicellular prokaryotes, and besides that, it also gave proper place to the fungi, which was completely absent in the two kingdom system, which included only plant kingdom and animal kingdom, and even which was present in three kingdom system of classification, where there was presence of three kingdoms: plant kingdom, animal kingdom and protista. Students, now let's discuss a very important question, that is, why five kingdom system of classification gained huge popularity. There was inclusion of non-chlorophyllous heterotrophic organism Students, the example of which you can clearly find here is mushroom and prokaryotic unicellular organisms. The example is bacteria. Unicellular organisms, the example is amoeba, along with plants and animals. So students, this was the main reason due to which 5 kingdom system of classification gained huge popularity and the 2 kingdom system and 3 kingdom system could not gain huge popularity. Students, it is only the classification system which helps us to group different organisms based on different features present in them. Students, if classification system will not be there, then all the organisms will be difficult to separate from each other, and even will be very difficult for the scientists to study their features. Thank you, students.